You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Thursday, March 19th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 22,078.58 basis points with a market capitalization of 11.505 trillion naira, meaning it depreciated by 3.12%. Equities market closed on the bearish zone as investors lost a total of 370.55 billion naira. At the close of trading, market recorded 13 gainers to 22 losers. The top three gainers were Africa Prudential, Jais Bank and Cornerstone Insurance, while United Capital, Zenith Bank and Abrico PLC were among the top losers. In terms of trade volumes, Zenith Bank, WAPIC and Guarantee Trust Bank were the top players. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 689.69 basis points with a market capitalization of 506.62 billion. Volume of shares traded was 20,300 and the value traded 2.156 million in 4 deals executed. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.66 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 367 naira 92 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 368 naira 50 kobo and closed at 370 naira 35 kobo to a dollar. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on the screen. For the key highlights from yesterday, the chairman of the Senate Committee on Capital Markets, His Excellency Senator Ibikunle Amosun, assured the investment community in Nigeria that it will work assiduously to drive pro-market legislation that will catalyze economic activities. Visiting the FMDQ Securities Exchange and the Nigerian Stock Exchange in the company of committee members and the Acting Director General of Securities and Exchange Commission, Ms. Mary Uduk, Senator Amosun emphasized the importance of the capital market in the socio-economic transformation of Nigeria and pledged to work closely with the exchanges in the market ecosystem to promote laws that will unlock their potentials and contributions to the economy. Also, the Central Bank of Nigeria announced an injection of 1 trillion naira across all the key sectors of the economy to help support businesses and households as the coronavirus pandemic continues to adversely impact the globe with its impact on Nigeria. It is also part of measures to boost the intervention in local manufacturing in the country and provide stabilizing for the economy that is beginning to feel the twin shocks of coronavirus and a dwindling international crude oil price. This is in addition to the 100 billion naira in loan in 2020 to support the health authorities to ensure laboratories, researchers, and innovators work with global scientists to patent and/or produce vaccines and test kits in Nigeria to prepare for any major crisis ahead. The CBN Governor, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, on this development said it will meet with Bankers Committee on Saturday, March 21st, 2020 to work out the modalities. For the key market and economic events to watch today, a British Member of Parliament was quoted as saying, "Unprecedented emergencies require emergency response." It is on this basis that we urge the federal and state governments to bring a sense of urgency in tackling the global menace of the coronavirus pandemic. Following reports of about 12 coronavirus incidents and about 1,300 trace cases carried out by the Lagos State Ministry of Health, Federal Ministry of Health and National Center for Disease Control, the onus is on the government at various levels to make the necessary move to forestall an outbreak of an epidemic in Africa's largest economy. Critical planning and strategic measures must be put in place even as states begin to shut down schools and religious gatherings from this weekend. Countries across the globe have already adopted the lockdown mode from the United States, United Kingdom, France, Spain, China, and Italy. Nigerians must brace up for the eventuality of a necessary lockdown to contain the pandemic. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day.